Hello everyone, my name is Ever Richie and I am from Malaysia. I currently work as a medical laboratory technologist at the pathology department in a hospital. Well, today I'm excited to present my CS50 final project. For my project, I decided to create a web-based application. It's called blood donation registration, combining all my expertise in medical science with the programming skill I've learned in CS50. Alright, so let's dive into some key features of the application. This is the login, prompting user to enter a username and password. If users don't enter anything, a plus message appears here. If no account, user can click here and will be directed to the staff registration form. Users or medical staff need to provide all information: name, email, password, physician, and the department they work in. And the password must match the company password, otherwise a plus message appears. And also the username must be unique. If username already taken and or already exists in database, the message will be appear here again. And if successfully registered, the information will be saved in database using SQLite. Alright, now I can log in, but since I already have my account, I'll just log in using my own username and password. This is the home page. As you can see, there's a table for blood collection for today, and every time a donor is added, the total number increases, but it will be reset the next day or every time the date change. Users can also edit your profile or update your information and save it. Change password. If new password do not match with the confirm password, then the plus message appears. If current password is incorrect, the plus message will appear too. But if correct, the success message will appear and the password will be updated. For donor registration, simply click Add Donor and you will be redirected to the donor registration form. Fill in all information, especially the ID number and how many blood bags donated that day. After clicking Add, you will see the donor list in the table where the new donor is added at the top, and user can also edit and delete. Users can also search for donors by name or ID number. No donor found will be displayed if donors do not exist in database, otherwise all matched donor will be shown. Donor information can be updated here as well. Since the donor ID is unique, only one ID can be registered on the same date. And if users try to register again, a flash error message will appear. Source donor by ID number. As you can see here, there are two results, but the different date. And you can update information in here as well, and then log out. This will clear all the session and redirect to the login page. This is also responsive on mobile devices. Well, as a medical staff member in the pathology department, this project is very useful for my work. By creating an online registration system, it's helped to replace traditional registration and time-consuming methods such as paper forms. And the goal is to make the process more efficient and accessible to all the medical staff. Thank you. This was CS50.